Before we really dive into it, there are some things that we're going to have to install before some modules that we import into our program can work. So we're going to want to come to our here and search for cmd, which is our command line, and open it. So once our command line is open, just enter your desktop environment. So the first thing we're going to want to install is speech recognition. So you do this by saying pip install speech recognition. So sorry, everything is together. So speech recognition is together. You see, when I run it, it's going to say requirement already satisfied because I already have it installed in my system. So it's loading now. Yeah, saying requirement already satisfied. So after this, the next thing we're going to want to install is Pi Audio. So to do that, we do pip install Pi Audio. It's already installed on my system too, so it's going to say requirement already satisfied. Yeah, requirement already satisfied. So the third thing we're going to install is play sound. So we do pip install play sound. So it's going to show already satisfied as usual because I've downloaded everything. So this is the first step for our video. Thank you. Now let us move on to the next step of the video. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be writing a program that can allow a user to create folders using speech. Like you just tell the program to create a folder and to create it for you. But before we start, I would like to show you something I'm going to be using in this code. So there's a software I use to convert text to speech. The name of the software is Bubble. So I'm going to show you an example of how it works. Now it's going to convert this text into speech.
Say name of new folder you want to create.
So I'm going to be using this software. To get the software, the link is in the description below. So the first thing we're going to want to do is create our folder, create a folder, and inside the folder we're going to make a file named speech.py. You can name it anything you want, but I decided to name it speech.py. So you now open it in your VS Code. Let's get right into it. Okay, so this is our code. Everything is just 50 lines of code, very short. So the next thing we're going to want to do is run our program to see if it works, and we're going to want to create a folder named black. Now before we run it, there was a software I used to convert text into audio. The name of the software is Balboca. Check for the link in the description below. So now we're going to say run Python file in terminal to check the functionality of our code.
How may I help you today?
New folder.
Say name of new folder you want to create.
Black. You can see not exactly, I said black, but it's made a blah folder, but it's close to what we wanted. Okay, let us try again. Okay, so let's try to create a folder named boy, boy. So we come here and say run Python file terminal.
How may I help you today?
New folder.
Say name of new folder you want to create.
Boy. As you can see, it's created a boy folder. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.